have to link Facebook page to an Instagram account. First thing, we go to the left side, click on pages. Then we're gonna choose the page we want to link to an Instagram account. We click on it. Then we have our page, Kikas, Billionaire. Now we scroll on the left side. We go to the settings. Click on it and we stay on the left side and we scroll down to the Instagram. Click on it. And now we have our Instagram icon there and connect account. Click on it. Allow access to Instagram messages inbox. Okay. Continue. We click. Now we go to the Instagram page. Sorry, it is in German, but it's okay. Now convection means change account. You click on it. You can change the account. Now I want to write it as billionaire. Now go down for the password and then log in. Now I'm asked if I want the store the infos. I would say not now. Yes, in ancient German. It's not important. Click on it. Now we have this page. Our page is getting connected to Instagram. We wait a little bit. It's getting connected. And here we go. We have connect the account to Instagram. Have it. We have the icon. And here we have everything. Infos. You can synchronize infos, phone number, and later if you want to disconnect, just have to click on it, disconnect, and that's it. Very easy. Connect your page to Instagram. That's it for today, and thanks for being here. Have a great day.